Want to level up your sewing corners? Look no further than the Mitered Corner. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the entire sewing process. We'll be demonstrating the mitered corner with a 2 centimeters or 0.78 inch seam allowance. However, you can follow these same steps no matter the size of your seam allowance. Start by halving your seam allowance. For our 2 centimeter seam, that would give us a measurement of 1 centimeter. On both edges leading up to the corner, fold in and press the raw edges by that calculated amount. In this case, we are folding in the raw edges by 1 centimeter. When you're pressing, try and keep the seam allowance consistent. Next, simply fold the edges in once more and press. At this point, you've created a double rolled hem leading up to your corner. Next, undo only one of the folds, leaving the raw edge still folded in. Measure that folded edge, then double that measurement. You should find this matches your initial seam allowance. Our fold here is 1 centimeter. If you multiply that by 2, you get our initial seam allowance of 2 centimeters. If when sewing you find that doubling the measurement does not match your seam allowance, don't worry. Simply use the doubled measurement and it will still work out perfectly. Using our 2 centimeter calculated measurement, starting at the corner, mark a point 2 centimeters down on each side. Next, connect these marks resulting in a triangle shape. Make sure you use a washable pen to mark your fabric. Our fave is the friction pen. Next, fold the corner so the right sides are together. Make sure the drawn lines on the front and back align. Once you are happy, pin in place. At your machine, reduce your stitch length to 1.9. Next, sew directly over the line you've marked. As it's a small area, start sewing at the midpoint of the line. Sew forward to one side, then backstitch all the way to the other side before sewing forward and finishing in the center. After sewing, turn your corner right side out to check everything is looking hunky-dory. If it all seems fine, you can trim off the tip of the sewn corner, ensuring that you cut just above the stitch line. After finishing, flip the corner right side out. Use a blunt tool to refine the point for that perfect sharpness. Finally, give your corner a good press. And Bob's your uncle, you've mastered the art of a crisp mitered corner. If you love sewing, we've got something to help you plan out your creations. Our awesome and awesomely free PDF sewing planner. Jot down your measurements, hack plans and supplies for every project and add your fabric swatches and garment sketches. Use one of our 4 croquis models or sketch on the blank planner pages. It also includes a collection planner for organizing swatches and styling ideas for mini wardrobe collections and a 12-month sewing calendar. Get all your measurements sorted with our journal and step-by-step video tutorial, which walks you through how to take each measurement. Download your planner for free at madelabel.co/planner so you can get creative and plan out the wardrobe of your dreams.